So our customers have a lot of challenges, but I'd broadly put them into two major categories. The first one is where there's no room for error. Think of a safety of life, flight critical system on, say, a life support system on a spacecraft, or perhaps the launch vehicle that's carrying said man-rated, human-capable spacecraft, or for instance, $1 billion satellite on top of that launch vehicle. There's no room for error in situations like that, so they rely on solutions like what Siemens and ATA can provide. The second category is where time is of the essence. Time is critical. Customers who are looking to shorten their design cycles so that they can get a product to market faster and beat out their competition, or for a startup that's got some great innovative idea that's never been done before and they need to get it out there before any other startup has an opportunity to. ATA's done a lot with customizing Siemens software, whether for example, using the FEMAP API or NX Open in order to shorten the design process so that engineers can really focus on the important tasks, the hard tasks, where they can actually spend more time innovating and less time doing repeated clicks. When we deliver a customized solution, such as a FEMAP API or a script in NX Open, what that really does is it allows an engineer or a designer to free up their time. That's where the power of the Siemens flexibility and customization really comes through. I would say our expertise as an engineering services company really sets us apart as a Siemens partner. The fact that our engineers use Siemens tools every single day and have intimate familiarity using tools like FEMAP or StarCCM or Siemens Test and Measurement Solutions every single day, solving our engineering services customers' hardest problems, means that as a software provider and a Siemens partner, we have an ability to support those software tools that exceeds that of any other partner out there. ATA really focuses on design, test, and analysis solutions, but we really tend to focus on this mantra of we sell what we use. So we really focus on those structural analysis tools, CFD tools, test and measurement tools, with which we have intimate familiarity. Partnership is key at ATA. We have robust partnerships, great trusting relationships with many other Siemens partners. We do believe that in order for a partner to really add value, we have to specialize, we have to be experts, but by the same token, that means we can't be a jack of all trades and be an expert in everything. We really pride ourselves on pushing software, pushing hardware, pushing technology right to the cutting edge. One of my favorite stories is an aerospace company that won a huge project, and basically overnight they had to double or triple the staff in their analysis department. It would have been very easy to just deliver software and say, increase their FEMAP seat count and add in some Nastran. But where ATA really added value was being an entire part of the process and growing that new team. We pride ourselves on optimizing software inventories, so we sold them the right mix of software solutions, which was great so that they didn't pay for excess capacity and they kept their costs under controls. But where we really came in was with training and getting their team up to speed. We actually generate the Nastran training software for Siemens, so you can say that we wrote the book on Nastran. Our customers appreciate that they can come to us as a kind of a one-stop shop repository for meeting their software needs, their software support needs with unmatched expertise on that front. And then of course for services, you can always go on our website first and foremost and check our training schedule, because we're continuously offering FEMAP classes, Nastran classes, anything to try and expand your abilities in the analysis regime. My message to a prospective customer would be, if you have a tough engineering challenge and you aren't sure where to start, give ATA a call. We can ask the right questions to help put you on the right track to the right software, the right expertise, the right support team, the right engineering services, and really accomplish your hardest challenges.